Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. And what the hell am I looking at, man? What the hell just happened? And guys, I told you the apex is coming very soon for SLP, and something is about to actually turn that is gonna be ugly. So if I actually go into the 1 hour time frame, I've been talking about this one for the past 3 days, and the fact that you're about to approach the this apex. Today, in today's update, what did you do? I wish I could have told you the replay of how I was predicting today's update. I talked about the bear flag, and I told you that the bear flag is going to take SLP to the downside, but it was actually doing one thing, taking you down to break this level of support right here. And look, you went back, got rejected, and as soon as you got rejected right over here, and look what you did, you create huge reversal to the downside. So every single update that I've given you so far has played out. Every single update I've given you has played out so far. But still, the story hasn't ended just yet. And if you've been following the channel for a long time now, you already understand that our technical target still lies down to this level, which is going to be the 97 level. Now, the question really is that actually I want to tell you, if you're new, if you don't know why I say 97 level, is because of that daily bear flag. And you take the top here to the bottom, that's the bear flag that you can see, and you place down the stick measuring stick right there, the trend line. And all you want to do is you take the trend line from, oh my goodness, man, yeah, man, the phone is a little bit hard to operate. So you take the top here to the bottom, and it's going to take you all the way down to these levels, 97 levels. Okay, now the question really is, once you do that, once you do come here to the 9700 level, you do have a support which was previous low, all-time low right there. That's the all-time low. Can you hold the all-time low and make a double bottom, which is going to be a first bottom and a second bottom right there? That will be amazing. And from here, you bottom out completely, go to the upside, right? That's something that you want to see. Now, when it comes down here, we're going to wait for a little bit of a bullish pattern and a reversal pattern. And I would actually love to take an entry from that place. Of course, putting a stop losses at the all-time high. If you start to take out the all-time high, then potentially you're going to be creating a huge reversal wave to the downside, and God knows where you're going to go. You potentially even could be rolling down to the 40s or to the 30s, and that's it, man. That would be game over for everything. And so that's something that you don't want to see, right? That's something that I don't want to see either. You don't want to see, but I just have to point it out because I'm gonna be honest with you along the way, man. Whatever I see on the charts, I'm gonna keep updating you. So that's it for SLP update. Hope you enjoyed this one. We are still very close to the technical targets of the 97. Do expect the 97 levels to play out. And I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.